The Universal Audio Apollo Solo. Beautiful packaging. I have to admit something. This is actually my first piece of hardware from Universal Audio, and I'm going to use this to travel with. Of course, you get the unit itself. I got the Thunderbolt version. You get 2 outs and 2 line inputs. So this is XLR and 1/4 inch inputs. So you get 2 preamps. Some buttons up here, kind of self-explanatory, I guess. Input, changes the inputs. Got some roll-off, got your 48V, got your pad for attenuation. This is a phase, and this is link in case you got like 2 microphones and you're recording in stereo. High Z for your instruments, for your guitar and bass. And you got a headphone jack. 1/4 inch, of course. Solid, all metal. On the bottom is rubberized so it doesn't move. Put this down. Next, you get a little booklet. Getting started. This is, I guess, sending you information on how to register everything. This is some thick cardboard. Might use it as a coaster or something. And you get this thing that don't swallow. And of course, you do not get a Thunderbolt cable. But luckily, I got it off Sweetwater, and they sent it with a Thunderbolt cable for no additional cost. Buy it off Sweetwater. If you're curious about my studio interface, which is the Antelope Audio Zen Q, check out this video up here.